How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I am really excited today because I just got the word that I will be getting a referral from Robinhood. Shout out to Jared. So that is gonna signify the first time that I've gotten paid a cent from making my YouTube videos. So I didn't make it through AdSense or anything like that, but this is the first time that I will really benefit monetarily from anything related to YouTube. And it's kind of an awesome feeling because I've been working on this for years, and I'll show you. I'm just gonna go briefly through some stuff on my channel and what you can see. And it's been a long time that I've been working on this channel. Over the first couple years, I really didn't put much effort into it. I tried to think of cool topics and stuff that I'd want to see, but the effort level was really low. I wasn't putting in pictures to illustrate my points. I wasn't really editing very much. Sometimes I would just film it and then just throw it up, and that's not really a good way of increasing your viewership on YouTube. So I have been able to grow it a lot recently, and I'm really excited for that. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. I make a lot of finance videos on how to make you money, a lot of analysis videos on stocks and stuff like that. So definitely subscribe. It really means a lot to me. But I wanted to kind of show my evolution on YouTube a little bit because it's not anything super extravagant at first. So I am also going to do another video about selling my YouTube channel. So I'm not actually going to sell it, but I think it'll be interesting to take a look at how much a YouTube channel is worth that doesn't make any money. So I'm just going to pull this up here. If I go to my YouTube studio, I have been able to grow a lot actually over the last few days. And if you go to my analytics page, you can see a lot on YouTube. A lot of people don't realize it, but I don't make a penny from this. To get monetized, you have to get 4,000 hours watch time and have 1,000 subscribers. I have 292. So you might think, okay, that's really far away from being able to get monetized. And it kind of is, but on the other hand, I've gained a lot of new subscribers over the last few days, over the last couple weeks actually. And I'll show you here. I had looked a few weeks ago, just I think 3 weeks. So I had looked at how many subscribers I had just on April 22. It was April 22, and I had 40 subscribers. So I had 40 subscribers, and then 3 weeks and 2 days later, I have 292. And this isn't like a ton of people just started watching. I've been putting out a lot of content, a video or 2 videos a day. So you can see here, you can see my views start to increase. And if you look a little bit further back even, I really didn't have many views at all. Actually, these are subscribers. So over the last 90 days, you can see my subscribers increase. So you can see here that they went up a little bit. I told some people at my finance group, I go to a finance meetup about it, and some of them subscribed, and that kind of gave me the push, and they were very supportive to make more videos. So I started making more videos about stimulus packages right around here. And a lot of people like that. I had a big video here that's actually my most watched video, and it's about how a stimulus deal was reached, and I got 20 new subscribers, and I was like, okay, well maybe I could reach this by maybe halfway through the summer or at the end of the summer. That was kind of my goal at that point. And I had actually set a goal back in here to get monetized on YouTube, but I didn't really think that was going to be possible. So then I just kept on making more stimulus videos. I made a couple stock videos, like dividend investing videos. And then over the last few days, it's been able to steadily increase. So 14, 22, 15, 21, 14, 9, 16, 18, 12. Then my last day was the biggest day that I've ever had by about 50% higher than the last one. And it was 30 new subscribers. I didn't have any major video that was like one of my top 3 videos or anything like that. So I'm not really sure why that's happening, but it's really exciting. My watch time has increased also, and you can see here it went up a lot that one day, but it's been steadily increasing since then too. So if you just look before, I was pretty excited here when I had 12 hours of watch time in a week, and then it dropped back down, but then I saw it go back up here to almost where it was before, 11, and then 40, and I was like, oh, I hit the big time now. And that's about half of what you need to get monetized if you keep that up on a weekly basis. To hit 4,000 hours, you have to hit about 11 hours a day. So I was thinking, okay, I have about half of what I need. And then I hit 230, and I thought, wow, this thing's going to take off. But then it went back down a little bit the next week, but still 95 is a good amount. And then it's just been increasing since then too. So, I'm really excited to be able to bring these videos to you, and it's really exciting to see it improve, my metrics improve, because as much as I like making the videos, I don't like stagnation. I don't like to put a lot of effort and not see anything back, which I think a lot of people are that way. But this is something where even if I weren't to make $1 on this, I'd still want to see these numbers improve. I'd still want to see improvement in my videos and my audience and how many people are watching, how many people are liking, how many people are subscribing. And that's just more of a personal thing. But I'm just really blessed to be able to show you guys this, to be able to bring you this content, because this is stuff that I talk to my family about, but my family is not that interested for the most part. So it's something where I'm really glad that there is a group of people that are wanting to watch it and really wanting to hear more. So I really appreciate you guys. Even if you never use one of the links to get free stocks through Robinhood or WeBull, which WeBull has a really good promotion right now, or M1 Finance, just the fact that you're watching and you're interested, I think that's awesome. I think that it's going to set you up really well for the future so that you can learn more about money and make more and invest more. Maybe you're already someone that's kind of hit the lottery in that sense, that maybe you have hundreds of thousands of dollars or even millions of dollars. Some of the big NAT positions that people are taking makes me believe that maybe they have a good amount of money. But I definitely do appreciate you guys, and whether you're the people with $1 million or you're just starting off or you're negative still from student loans or something like that, I think that just the fact that you're watching channels like this is a really good thing going forward and into the future. I think that will set you up well, because a lot of people don't take that first step to learn. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Like I said, it really helps out. But I will see you guys in the next video, and I appreciate it. Thanks.